The Sea Empress lies stricken on the rocks, listing badly as tugs hold her steady. Sea water now fills her cargo holds. More than half were ripped open by the collision. The emergency started last night as the supertanker with a full load of crude oil made her way towards Texaco oil refinery. A pilot was on board, navigating the harbour entrance when the Sea Empress ran aground. Early reports of steering problems were emphatically denied by the ship's managers. Within minutes, the potential disaster became clear as thousands of tons of oil began spewing into the haven. Coastguards, the Port Authority and Texaco launched one of the biggest pollution control operations ever seen in West Wales.
As oil companies subscribe to the Oil Spill Service Centre in Southampton, who are one of the world-leading authorities on this, as soon as this happened, a call went into Southampton, and they have already dispatched 2 large trucks with specialist equipment to help us with that beach cleaning, and about a dozen specialists to go with that.
By daylight, the 5-mile slick had drifted to Linney Head, and reports came in of oil being washed ashore. It's estimated up to 6,000 tonnes may have leaked. By mid-morning, the Scottish owners of the tanker had flown company executives to the scene. The Port Authority made its first statement following the emergency shutdown of the harbour.
The second channel is presently not in operation because the vessel is occupying part of that channel. The port pollution plan was activated within minutes of the incident happening at 20:09 hours last night, and we do have a very wide range of agencies and equipment present.
As Welsh Secretary William Hague arrived at St Anne's Head, the Transport Secretary Sir George Younger was quick to respond to pollution fears.
Everything that possibly could be done is being done. Firstly, to make sure that no more oil leaks from the tanker, that the ship is stabilised. And there's a lot of work going on to deal with the pollution. There are barrages going down. The local authorities are hoovering up some of the oil. Some of the spraying has started.
Late this afternoon, it was decided to leave the tanker in place overnight. Tomorrow at daybreak, attempts will be made to remove the remaining 130,000 tonnes of crude oil left on the beached vessel.